Alright guys, Kublai here from the heart of Siberia. I'm about to go for a Husky slide ride today. I've never done this before, so should be a thrilling experience. So here are the dogs, Siberian Huskies. I think we'll have plenty of fun today. I'm surrounded by the dogs now. You can even hug them, touch them. Here with the dogs. They don't seem to give a damn. Alright guys, it's my first time. It's plenty of fun. Alright, to the right. There we go.
Вперед, вперед! Вперед, ребятки! Вперед! Вперед, вперед! Вперед, быстрее, быстрее!
Пошли. And this carpet used to be a beer. Look at this. Holy crap. Plenty of fresh air. And here walking in the forest, I hope we won't encounter any bear here. Just kidding. There aren't bears over here. Actually there are bears, but you will find them far away from here, far from civilization. See what's going on. Ooh, pretty cozy here. Ooh. And warm as well, of course. Let's take a sit here. Here we go. Nice experience. If you guys can try this, if you have the opportunity to ride a sledge, go for it. It's plenty of fun. Anyway guys, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe of course, and if you like this video, share it with others, with your friends, with your family, and with all the people. My mouth is still cold, you know, it's hard to speak, but I'm getting warm here step by step. So share this video with people you would like to share this video with, and talk to you soon guys.